Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zaidan Almeyda. I'm a student majoring in the mechanical engineering at POLINEMA. Okay, in this time I will present about wheel component in the motorcycle. Wheel component is very important because wheels like a human feet. Okay. And now let's talk about wheel set part. The first part is a wheel set component, the front and the rear. The function from this part is to attach tire and connect with the wheel shaft. The part number 2 is a wheel shaft component. Wheel shaft component, the function from this part is to keep wheel shaft sitting in the center properly. The third part is a tire. The function from the tire is to give a motorcycle grip to the road surface. The next part, the fourth part, is a gear set. We move to the back. The function from this part is to transfer power from the engine to the wheels. And then the next part is a brake set in the front and the rear. The function from this part is to slow down the speed from the motorcycle and the stopping motorcycle. And the last part is the suspension system in the front and the rear. The function from this part is to reduce the shock from the surface of the road. Okay, based my experience, there will be a problem when we pass a hole with the high speed. That can cause the wheel set broken or crack in the rim. So we must bring the broken wheel set to the wheels repair. And the second problem is, we move to the gear set. And the second problem is when we not lubricate the chain with the oil, it can cause chain noisy when we ride, and cause the chain easy to crack or broken. Okay, before I stop the presentation, I will give some tips and tricks before we ride a motorcycle. Trick number 1 is check the tire pressure before we ride motorcycle, making sure the tire pressure according to manufacturer specification. We can see the manufacturer specification in the back swing arm. Let's see. Okay, this is a tire pressure manufacturer specification, making sure the tire pressure according to this specification. Okay, and now is trick number 2. Trick number 2 is check the tension for the chain in the gear set, because when the tension too loose can make the chain jump from the gear set. It will dangerous. The manufacturer specification for tension the chain we can see in the back swing arm too. Let's see, and we check the tension. Okay, make it sure. Let's go to the trick number 3. Okay, trick number 3 is checking for the stability for the bearing of the wheel shaft. We can check the stability from the bearing of the wheel shaft by move the wheels into right and left. If the wheels not shaking left and right, it is bearing is good condition. Okay, let's do the trick number 4. Trick number 4 is checking for the brake pad. Okay, make sure the brake pad is still thick, it's not thin, because affect to the brake performance and our safety in the road. Okay, maybe that the tips and trick I can share for you. Don't forget to pray before the ride motorcycle and keep riding safety. For the safety on the road, we should wearing the safety apparel when ride motorcycle, like a helmet, glove, jacket, and shoes. Okay, keep riding safe and don't forget to pray before the ride. Okay, maybe it's all from me. There is more or less, I'm sorry, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.